Hello and welcome back to COEPD's weekly job bulletin. This week we bring you business analyst opportunities across BFSI, finance, healthcare, and data warehousing domains, covering multiple locations and experience levels. Let's get started. Brisk Olive Business Solutions in Noida is hiring for 1 to 2 years in IT pre-sales, focusing on reporting, dashboards, and business insights. For professionals with 5+ years of experience, Brihati Global Edge Solutions has pan-India openings in the data warehousing domain with a focus on Databricks and data governance initiatives. STEMS Healthcare is hiring across Chennai and Gurgaon for professionals with 5+ years of experience in core healthcare projects. In Jaipur, Inspiron Labs is looking for professionals with 2 to 5 years of experience in cloud infrastructure and ServiceNow related projects. Udyog Talent Solutions has opening in Bangalore and Pune for 5 to 8 years of experience in manufacturing, finance, and ERP systems. Jasset Technologies in Hyderabad is hiring for ServiceNow business analysts for professionals with 5+ years of experience. Shoremind Solutions in Bangalore is hiring for hybrid opportunities for senior professionals with 12+ years of experience in finance and tax domains. Empower Plus for TCS is hiring in Pune and Hyderabad for 6 to 8 years of experience in payments, banking, and BFSI projects. Dhanush Group in Hyderabad has openings for freshers to 1+ years of experience in the IT domain, making it a great opportunity for aspiring business analysts. Softomatic Technology Services is hiring in Mumbai and Delhi for 4 to 6 years of experience in banking and financial service projects. That's all for this week. To know more, comment below and register with COEP. Additional opportunities are highlighted at the end. Thank you for watching and we will see you next week.